Hello everybody, Go Pokemon here, and today we're going to be making our very own Pokemon cards. Now, what you're going to need for these is a piece of paper, a ruler, some scissors, a pen or a pencil, whichever you prefer. Pokemon of your choice to cut out the template, and a bunch of markers, colored pencils, or colored pens to color it in. Okay, first what you're going to do, take out your piece of paper, take your Pokemon card, put it on the edge of the paper. Perfect. Then what you're going to do is take your pen or pencil and just draw the outline of the Pokemon card. Okay. That didn't work very well. This pen is old, okay. Okay, there we go. That's better. Okay, after you've drawn the template of the Pokemon card, put your Pokemon card aside, and then take your scissors. And then what you're gonna do is just cut it out very carefully. Make sure to cut out the corners. So, this one corner, later we'll make sure to curve this one corner so it's like an actual Pokemon card. Later we'll curve off the other corners. Okay, there we go. There's our piece of paper. Next, what you're gonna do, take a piece of paper and take your pen.
Why does
and take your pen.
my room?
No clue. Okay, and then what you're gonna do is you're going to just draw. Okay, no, actually, improvising. You're gonna take any one of your Pokemon cards of your choice from your collection, and you're going to just take some of the attacks off of it and just pop it, or you can make your very own custom attacks. I think I'm going to do that. So the improvising was totally worthless, but it doesn't matter. Pokemon is so amazing, so. Okay, next what you're going to do, and then you're just going to create your own Pokemon cards. Next, I'm going to see if I can make a time lapse of me creating the Pokemon card. Okay, so I couldn't figure out how to do a time lapse until after I finished the Pokemon card. So, here is our Pokemon card. It's a basic Pokemon. So this Pokemon, its name is Trio-Leaf, has 70 HP. It's number 998. It's the Leaf Pokemon. Its height is 3 feet. I don't know if you can tell it, but its weight is 149. So, really nice Pokemon card. Next, its attacks are Stun Spore, Flip a Coin. If has, the opponent's active Pokemon is now paralyzed. And then we have our very own Solar Beam, which does 40 damage, or actually 50. Okay, now we know how to do a time lapse. I'm gonna do a time lapse of doing the bottom part of the Pokemon cards. Okay.
Pokemon.
Okay, as you can see, its weakness is fire. You can't see it very well though. It doesn't have a resistance. Its retreat is just one colorless energy. It has those numbers. It's 18 out of 85. To know which number it is in the set, it is uncommon. Has that letter that no one knows what it's for, and also the symbol that no one knows what it's for.
So what is it for?
No one knows. And then I put just a bunch of scribbles because I didn't want to write a description for a Pokemon card that is fake. Okay, next. So, for the next part, Elena, can you give me some glue? I forgot some.
What?
Give me some glue. I forgot some. So for the next part, you're gonna need a Pokemon card that is virtually worthless, that you don't really need, or that you have a bunch of copies of. In this case, Rotom.
This glue?
No, just like stick glue. Okay, and then what you're gonna do next? Yeah, and then what you're gonna do next? You're gonna just get a stick glue or like just spray glue, whatever you want. You're just gonna put it over this, and then you're just gonna put the Pokemon card on. And then you're gonna round off the corners that we didn't round off yet, and then there you go. You will have your very own Pokemon card. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. And after we find the glue, maybe next video I will show you a picture of our very own Pokemon card. Bye.
Bye.